She started like mouthing the word out to me.
Okay, go.
My name is Simon Appleby. I'm the marketing coordinator here at AMI, and I've been here for 5 years.
Book or movie?
I don't do either, really. Probably a movie.
Movie, okay. Plymouth Argyle or Manchester United?
I knew this was coming. Man United.
Burger King or McDonald's?
McDonald's all day. Love a wrap, no mayo.
Good choice. Picnics or barbecues?
Barbecues. As long as I'm not doing the barbecues.
Depends what time of year, I suppose. Would you like to explore space or explore the deep ocean?
I can't swim. So, the end, no.
I'd say space.
I'll go to space, please.
Love or money?
Oof. Love.
Love. Oh, fair play. Time travel 20 years in the past or 20 years in the future?
The past, because then I can have the money.
Yeah.
And have the love
and
at
then
the
to
same
get the love, yeah. Pop music or rock music?
Rock music, all day.
Ronnie or Will?
Oh, neither. Is that an option?
No, it's not an option.
Ronnie.
Come on. Wrestling or MMA?
Oh, another great question. Wrestling.
Kids or pets?
Kids, just.
Great. Grand gestures or secret acts of kindness?
Oh, secret acts of kindness.
Very nice. Breakfast or dinner?
Dinner.
Dogs or cats?
Dogs. Get rid of cats.
FIFA or Football Manager?
I like a long session of Football Manager, but FIFA is a short FIFA.
FIFA. Thank you. You passed the test.
Thank you so much.